everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the video till the end. But before proceeding further, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then guys do consider subscribing my channel. It will really motivate me to create more such content for you. And you can follow me on other platforms as well. The link is there in the description itself. So let's get started now. So here's our first opportunity, that is from Global Logic, right? So you can see they are hiring for the role of associate software engineer. Here's the description given, right? Now talking about the requirements. So you need a strong technical knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, CSS, excellent knowledge of SQL, good knowledge of regular expressions, strong OOPS concepts, knowledge of any programming language, excellent logical and analytical skills, technical understanding of e-commerce websites. Preferences would be for HTML, JavaScript, SQL, regular expressions. Coming to the job responsibilities, so you should be able to develop and implement high quality code in a timely manner, ability to work independently and efficiently to complete assigned tasks, ability to write error-free programs, ability to provide strong analysis recommendations for efficient solutions, ability to communicate. Now what do they offer? So regarding that as well, they have mentioned certain points. Here you can read about the company as well, right? So this is the form provided. You have to input your details here if you're interested for this opportunity, and probably if you got shortlisted, someone will reach out to you from the team. The next opportunity is from IBM. So they are hiring for the role of associate systems engineer. Talking about your role and responsibilities, so as an associate system engineer, you will be focusing on individual team objectives and involve yourself in the development of professional effectiveness. In the role, you will design application, write code, test, debug, and maintain software application. Now what they're looking for, so following skills from you: programming probably in Java, Python, Node.js, and software development lifecycle concepts. You should be good at problem solving and communication, right? Next opportunity is from Springworks. So they are hiring for the role of iOS developer intern. At Springworks, they are on a mission to revolutionize the world of people operation, right? So here you can read more about it, the further information that they have provided. Coming to the job description, so as an iOS intern, you will have the opportunity to work on various projects and gain hands-on experience in developing iOS applications. You will be part of a dynamic team and collaborate with experienced iOS developers. Coming to the responsibilities, so assist in the development of iOS application, collaborate with the team to design, develop, and test new features, debug and fix issues in existing applications, conduct research and stay up to date with the latest iOS development, participate in code reviews and provide constructive feedback, collaborate with cross-functional teams to ensure the successful delivery of projects, document code and maintain technical documentation. Here's the 1 month. So they have provided the plan that how you will be growing further. So this is the 1 month plan, then 3 months plan, then 6 months plan. So it's a part of the interview process. So you have to complete a small assessment. Here's the assessment link given. Based on your test scores, they will schedule the further interview rounds. Also, please send us a 1-minute video pitch on why they should hire you. So you can share the video via Loom. So from here you can go and or Google Drive link and share video link under portfolio section. Profiles without task submissions and video pitch are not going to be considered for this role. Here's the basic requirement. You should have the basic knowledge of iOS development using Swift and Xcode, familiarity with object-oriented programming concepts, good communication and teamwork skills, ability to work independently and take ownership of assigned tasks, attention to detail and commitment to delivering high quality work. Prior experience with iOS development projects or personal projects is going to be a plus. Writes about company and everything they have specified here. The next opportunity is DC. So D-Shop program it is. This is Ascent Educare is a 6-month mentorship program for women in technology. So this program is especially for women only. So as a part of the program, students enrolled in an undergraduate or postgraduate degree will participate in unique educational experiences in area ranging from core technical skills to holistic professional development. Coming to the eligibility criteria, so 2nd, 3rd year student in a BTech BE program, 3rd, 4th year student in a 5-year dual degree program BTech plus MTech or BE plus ME, 1st year student in a 2-year MTech MS MCA program or 2nd year student in a 3-year MCA program. Students must have demonstrated excellence in academic or professional pursuit. In addition, they should have an interest in finance and technology and be curious to learn more about the firm. Now, here is the information that you have to provide, right? Make sure to, before submitting your information, you are checking it so that everything is correct from your end, right? So that's what it is. Next and the last opportunity that we'll be talking about in this video is that is from Milliman. So they are hiring for the role of DB associate trainee. Here's the job description provided. So the associate trainee is responsible for operational tasks associated with defined benefit plans and compliance with plan provision. The associate assists in maintaining pension data, payment, payroll, administration, and calculate benefits. Coming to the duty responsibilities, are responsible to review documents and compile indexes to make information searches easier. Should be able to manage the basic data processing activities for various projects, fulfillment of letters and documentation, managing the daily tickets and task processing timely, provide support for special projects and other tasks as needed, accurately bills time to ensure clients' billing are correct, ensure quality service to existing clients, identify process improvement ideas, and required skills and attributes of good verbal and written communication skills, possess analytical and problem solving skills, can work on Microsoft or related software, required qualifications of fresh graduate pursuing final year, right? So these are some of the opportunities for you that we discussed about in this video. A request that make sure to share the video among your friends as well, so that even they can get to know about these opportunities and they can apply for the same. Finally, don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.